fine. So wishing you all a very, very happy Diwali. I know this Diwali is not like the other Diwalis, but still we can all celebrate it with some nice yummy food and lights. So today on our menu is instant chakli. So let's start making it. So let's start making chakli. Instant chakli, this is very easy. No need of soaking the rice or no need of grinding, nothing. I have taken 2 cups of rice powder. Taken 1 cup of besan, chana powder that is. This is almost 6 to 7 tablespoons of butter. Now you can substitute it with ghee also. I have taken butter, salted butter only, or you can take unsalted butter. 1 teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon of ajwain. 2 teaspoons of salt. Chili powder. I have taken 2 tablespoons of chili powder as we prefer spicy chaklis. So I have taken 2 tablespoons. You can decrease and increase the salt as per your, the spice and salt also as per your preference. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and this is half a teaspoon of hing asafoetida, and this is 1 tablespoon of til, sesame seeds, white sesame seeds. And now we need hot water for the kneading, and we need this chakli maker for making the chakli. That I'll show you how to do it. This is the plate for that, the blade for that. So let's start. Now the first thing we need a nice mixing bowl. I'm putting rice powder into this. 2 cups of rice powder, as I said. This is very easy to make. The only thing is the measurement should be correct. This is besan. 1 cup of besan. And always make sure that you're using the same cup of measurement for everything. I'm going to pour. I'll put this haldi powder. I've taken more of chili powder. You can decrease it. This is ajwain. We'll just crush it like this and then put it. Cumin seeds. The crushing is very important. And sesame seeds. Hing asafoetida. Salt. Let's mix it thoroughly. Now we mixed it nicely. All the powders has been mixed well. Now I'm going to pour this hot butter into this. Now we'll have to mix nicely. It's hot, so be careful. Now powders are mixed well. The butter is also nicely mixed with this powders. Now the main important part is hot water. We add little hot water step by step, not the entire thing together, and mix it. So it will be very difficult to mix it or knead it with hand. So first we mix it with the spoon. Now this dough has to be semi-soft. Not very soft, not very hard. So our dough is getting ready. I've added little by little hot water. We won't pour much water. So our dough is done. Now this is not very soft, not very hard also. Now we'll start making the chakli. Now I've got this chakli maker here. I'm just applying oil into this chakli maker. That will make the dough to come through that blade smoothly. Okay, now we take the dough and make cylindrical shape of this. A little more. And put it into this. That's it. Let's close this. I've applied oil on this butter paper. If you don't have a butter paper, you can always take an aluminium foil or a chopping board. Just apply a bit of oil or butter and then start doing this way. Just join these two ends. Yeah, you can start making the chaklis this way. You want to make it little straight. Also, you can make like this way. The long chaklis which we get, murukku which we say, see this way. That also you can make, or the round ones. Okay, I'm going to put the chaklis one by one now. You need at least 2 to 3 minutes to fry this. So I've just done a trial some time back. Now I'll be just putting this slowly without breaking the chakli. We put it with this spoon. That is more better. That way it doesn't break. So I've dropped the chaklis into the oil with the spatula. Now I'll be cooking this for 3 to 4 minutes, or flipping it both the sides. Doesn't take more than that, otherwise it will burn. So our chaklis are ready. I cooked it for 3 to 4 minutes in the oil. You have to just flip it for one time and then take it out. So our crunchy chaklis are ready. Now you have to just follow the recipes and the measurements correctly. No need of soaking or no need of grinding. It's a very instant chakli. And so if you have loved the recipe, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thank you.